My name is Gavin McInnis. I graduated from Little Shoe High School and I am apprentice with Miron Construction. I've been a youth apprentice with Miron Construction for 2 years, and I'm going to be continuing a 4-year apprenticeship program with them as a carpenter. Well, my dad has always had a wood shop, so that's kind of why I chose carpentry. And after learning a little bit more about Miron and some of the projects they've been a part of, I think that's what brought me to Miron. So, earning while you learn and not having college debt, I think that it was definitely the obvious choice. I was on a couple of cool projects. I was at Titletown Fitness, and then I got to be a part of the Green Bay Stadium. We'll get to brag about that.
It definitely is our future.
This is my Miron signing event day.
We believe that investing in our apprentices is investing in them.
You know, you drive past so many Miron sites every day. You know, you see all the Miron trucks, and just getting to say that I'm a part of that, and driving past the stadium, telling my buddies I worked there for a year. That's really cool to be a part of something that big and something that important. It's a great source of teamwork when you're out there. Learned a lot, had a lot of mentors along the way, and a lot of good journeymen that have taught me a lot of things that I'll keep, and I'll be ahead of the game. And it makes, you know, the physical work a little easier each day. I think that I do have a lot of leadership ability, captain on a football team, but of course, I need to know what I'm doing first, so I need to build my carpentry skills before I can get into that kind of role. I think that the trades in general are a great thing to get into right now. College is very expensive. It's a great thing to get into any trade.